Hi there, and thank you for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Seat Cupra 1.8 Turbo. I'm going to talk about the problems that I had with the Seat Cupra, and maybe it will help somebody that have the same problem. I had a problem, the oil light was coming on. The solution was, behind the oil filter there's a housing. It bolts onto your engine. At the back of that housing, when you take it off, you will see there's a small piston. It's very small. You can take a screwdriver and just move it around. Sometimes it gets stuck, maybe with the oil change or so it will get stuck, so your engine won't keep the oil pressure enough, so the oil light will go off. That piston there is for a reason. When the oil pressure get too much in the top end of your engine, it will pressure that piston to the other side and will release the oil directly into your sump. That was my first problem. Secondly, I had a misfire on the Seat Cupra, and the solution was one of my coil packs was broken. I replaced it and the Seat Cupra was 100% again. Another problem that I had was my car was beginning to smoke. It was because of my turbo's actuator. It didn't release the pressure enough, and it was because it was happening because of my N75 valve. It didn't release the pressure enough, so it couldn't vacuum properly, so the actuator didn't release the pressure enough, so the turbo was too much under pressure, so the turbo didn't last. Okay, lastly, one of my water pipes, the plastic ones that going to the radiator, the one in the radiator side, it was getting too much brittle because of all the time, so it was beginning to breathe some air out, so the water was actually coming out there, and my Seat Cupra almost overheated. So the last question is the Seat Cupra a good car? Yes, it's a very, very good car, a very strong car, and a very, very strong engine. Thanks for watching, and remember to give a like if you like the video, or if you can subscribe, it will make me very happy. I hope I could have helped somebody with this video and information. When I had this car, I wish I had that information. So thank you so much for watching.